The deadly dance of lions and buffalo. The African plains are vast, golden, and filled with life, but beneath the beauty lies constant danger. Here, one of the most brutal rivalries unfolds: lions versus buffalo. The buffalo's reputation. Hunters call it the Black Death for a reason. Known for unpredictability and aggression, they are responsible for more human deaths in Africa than any other large animal except hippos. Their muscular bodies can deliver a bone-breaking headbutt in a split second. Lions, strength in unity. A single lion cannot take down an adult buffalo, it's too dangerous. This is why they rely on coordinated group attacks. Each member of the pride plays a role: some drive the herd, others block escape routes, and the strongest leap onto the target. The tactical battle. 1. Observation. Lions spend hours studying the herd's movements. 2. Disruption. They charge to scatter the herd and create chaos. 3. Isolation. They separate one buffalo from the rest, preferably one that can be overpowered. 4. Final strike. Lions aim for the muzzle or throat, cutting off air supply. Buffalo counterattacks. Buffaloes are known for mobbing predators. A wounded buffalo might be abandoned by the pride if other herd members return with force. In rare cases, buffaloes have been seen flipping lions high into the air. The risk-reward equation. Reward: a buffalo kill can feed an entire pride for several days. Risk: high probability of injury, especially for younger or inexperienced lions. Symbiosis of survival. Though brutal, this rivalry maintains ecological balance. Lions prevent overgrazing by controlling buffalo numbers, while buffalo ensure that lions stay strong, fast, and adaptive. Final words. It's a rivalry without a final winner, a continuous battle where every encounter is a new chapter in an age-old story of the African wilderness.